Welcome to my channel. While others are busy arranging the kitchen, the like of Groovy and the rest and other housemates, then this is what AMAKA are busy doing. See what she's busy counting inside BBNAIJA house.
More condoms, okay. We need condoms, so please, so I need it this week. Yeah, there's sweet potato, that's what prefer. There's sweet potato. Porridge. I love it.
Would you like to count it? The kingdom counter. That's what I am today. Oh, yeah, count with me.
Groovy and other housemates were busy with what BBNAIJA just supplied them as their food, but you can see AMAKA started counting. She's busy on her own, counting. See what AMAKA is busy counting. One thing that I just like about them is that they are not pretending. They are trying to be factual. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more video. Thank you.
Listen to the judge.
14, 15. 16, 17. 18, 19. I don't start. This week is already tough. 20. Shit, this shit. Why does it smell like shit? The shrimps. The water just touched my hand.
22,
It smells like
23.
Look at this
24,
kitchen that I cleaned.
25.
Now they leave.
26,
Oh, we got the burger bread. Nice, but did we get ham? For the burger.
28, 29.
What do you supposed to say the burger?
30, 31.
For the burger.
32, 33.
Did you buy lettuce? Did you buy vegetables?
Vegetables, bro.
What did you put bread and cheese?
34, 35, 36.
Oh, we have kitchen to us, thank God.
37, 38, 39.
Ah, wait, we didn't order even one fruit. Damn.
40.
Oh, man, we fuck up. We don't order even one fruit, guys.
42. This
we
should
didn't order even one.
72 days.
There's
If you
no
use
fruit.
this word wisely, if you like, you take the condom and fold paper and put inside there, I will catch you and I will call you out. Right. 42. 4 and 2. It should be enough. You would use one for 2 days. You cannot have sex every day. One for 2 days. That is 84 days. It's even